the scene of devastation. Ziklag is burning. Imagine the horror. David and his men return to Ziklag not to rest, but to find utter devastation. The city was burned. Their wives, their sons, their daughters, all were gone. Ziklag is your home. It is the cold silence in your living room, the broken trust in your marriage. But then the men spoke of stoning David. When pain turns to blame, the spiritual war is already half lost. It was in that isolated, critical moment that David made the choice that changed everything, the Bible says. But David strengthened himself in the Lord his God. He looked past the ashes and chose to draw courage directly from the living God. He sought God's strategy. Shall I pursue this troop? Shall I overtake them? And the answer came immediately. Pursue, for you shall surely overtake them, and without fail, recover all. The final word of the story is the most powerful. Nothing was lacking, neither small nor great, neither sons nor daughters. David recovered all. Your God is the God of total restitution. It is time to begin your pursuit. The lowest point, despair and the threat of division. The initial response was raw, desperate grief. David and his warriors cried. They lifted their voices and wept until they had no strength left to weep. Have you ever been there? When you are so exhausted by the crisis that you have nothing left but tears? But then, the enemy moved to his masterstroke. Division. The men, blinded by pain, turned their weapons, not toward the enemy, but toward their own leader. They spoke of stoning David. When pain turns to blame, the spiritual war is already half lost. The enemy wants you to throw stones at your spouse, your children, your leader, or even yourself. He wants you to believe